Good morning, everyone. How are you all? How do you do? I hope you all are doing well. Today, let us continue the same topic parts of speech, and already we have completed three parts, and now let us continue with the fourth part, that is a verb. So, what is here? Verb. Verb is verb. The definition is here. It is used to express an action or state. It is used to express an action or state. That means here action expressing words, state expressing words. Action denoting words are verbs, state denoting words are called verbs. So what is an action? Action, for example, when we eat, there is some action. We take food, we mix it, and we take from with our hands, and we keep in our mouth, and we chew and eat. There is some kind of action. The process is there. Therefore, that is called an action. When we play, we move our legs, and we move from one place to another place, and we play some game, either it may be cricket or football, any game. So when we play, there is some action, so that action is called action word. All those, now we can see I am speaking, that is an action. So when I speak, I move my lips, and I use my tongue to speak and to speak out, to communicate. So that is called an action. And also action words, and sitting is an action, standing is an action, going is an action, playing is an action, singing is an action. All doing words are all action words. I hope you got my point, right? So now here action words are called verbs, and state denoting words. State in the sense, is it a present state or past or in the future state. Time denoted words. So time denoting words are also called verb, such as tense. Time denoting words in the sense tense, time. So they refer to some time. For example, I will come tomorrow. That means the word will is denoting future action. So I am speaking now. So when am I speaking? Now. So am is the present time. I was playing in the ground yesterday. So was is used for the past action. So past denoting word. So was denotes, was tells, was is a verb which tells the state of me. So the game played yesterday. So therefore I was playing game yesterday. So like that, here we will see action denoting words and time denoting words, state denoting words are called verbs. Now example here, I eat an apple. So here eating is an action word. So let me underline the verb here. And Raju is in his house. Raju is in his house. Where is Raju? In his house. So here so is it denoting present time or past time? Raju is in the house. Is it denoting present time or past time? Present time. Is Raju is in the house. Raju is in the house. So that means is there. And now it is denoting present time. Raju was there in the house, in the sense Raju was there. At present he is not there. Before he was there. So to say if he was before, so Raju was there. Okay. So this word is a time denoting verb. So that is also called. So actually is not showing any action. Here is no verb. This is only verb. This is acting as a verb. Time denoting word and state denoting word is a verb. We said actions, all actions are verbs. In a sentence, sometimes the verbs will be there and action words be there, and without action verbs, some sentences will be there. Here Raju is in his house. Here is no other verb except this state denoting verb. So action denoting verb, state denoting verb. I think you understood the point. Now let us move to another part, fifth part, adverb. It is used to add something to the meaning of a verb. It is used to add something to the meaning of a verb. So for the verb, and we add to the verb, and we add some word to the adjective, and we add some word, we add something to verb. We will add in some sentences, we will add something to the verb. In some other sentences, we will add something to an adjective, and we will add some words to another adverb. Let us know more clearly. See, with the examples we will be able to understand. Now let me read the example here. This is a definition, and just simply blindly you can understand something added to the verb. So after the verb, if we add something to it, and usually adverbs are used with the verb, either they may before the verb or after the verb are placed. So now we will see Meghasham runs quickly. So Meghasham runs, running is the action word. This is a verb. Verb after quickly is there. So this word is a adverb. So runs. So here Meghasham runs quickly. Here runs is the action word. It is used to add something to the meaning of the verb. How does Meghasham run? How does he run? He runs quickly. When we ask a question how, and then we can easily find, and this is the adverb. So here, and it is giving some meaning. He runs. We can understand when we say Meghasham runs, but how he runs tells the adverb. How he runs tells the adverb. So running, and whether it is slow or quick or fast or anything, about this running it is explaining. About this running it is used. So for the meaning of this verb it is used. Therefore this is called adverb. Adverb. I just write ADV in short form so that you can understand it. ADV. Here it is a verb. These are verbs. Now Meghasham runs quickly. In that sentence, quickly is the adverb, and this is a verb. So verb after we use verb, along with the verb it is used, and not only we use adverbs with the verb. So in this sentence only, in this definition only is there, adding something to the verb. We will add something to the verb. Before or after we add. Okay. Now here in the next example, this flower is very beautiful. In this sentence, helping this verb is there, and very beautiful is there. And now here adverb is very. We know this is adverb. So but here how does it use? How do we use this one? How did we use here? So we use here very with this adjective. Okay. How did we use? We use with adjective. Adjective. I am writing in short form. Okay. ADJ I write. I don't write a complete sentence. ADJ in short form. ADV, adverb, ADJ, adjective. Adjective. So it is modifying adjective. So it is used before the adjective to modify. So it can describe the adjective. These adverbs are describing adjectives. Sometimes they can be used to describe adjectives. Here it is describing the verb. So explaining the verb, modifying the verb in the first sentence, and now in the second sentence this adverb is modifying the adjective. So how is the flower? Beautiful. And again if we add very, it is explained more, even more it is explained. So here this flower is very beautiful. So like that, adverbs are used to give extra meaning to the adjective. And now let us see, Sampurna pronounced the word quite correctly. So here is a Sampurna is a noun, pronounced is a verb, and the word is a noun, but here quite is a adverb, correctly is the adverb. So here two adverbs are there. So adv, and for this also adv. These two words are adverbs. In this sentence, how to understand these things? Adverb, here is adverb and both the adverbs at one place. That means adverbs can go together. Adverbs can be used together in a sentence. Quite is adverb and correctly is also adverbs. So we have to know that adverbs, most of the adverbs are with ly ending suffix. So adverbs easily we can remember here. Here is ly, quickly ly, correctly ly. So like this here, adverbs are always used the suffix. Most of the adverbs are with ly suffix. So like this we can easily remember adverbs. Okay, whether the given word is adverb or not, we can easily understand, and by seeing its suffix. Suffix means, so quick is one word actually. After quick we just added here ly, and that has become adverb. Okay, and here correct is one word. Okay, correct is a verb. So this if we add that ly to that word, that becomes adverb. So like this here. Next, and here sixth part, preposition. It is used, it is a word used with a noun or pronoun to show how the person or thing denoted by the noun or pronoun stands in relation to something else. It is a word used with a noun or pronoun to show something, it stands in relation to some other part of the sentence. So it is used here. So example here, the cat is under the table. In this, under is the preposition. Here you can understand here, noun is here, and here this word is relating this noun and this noun. Here now see here. So it is used to show the relation between the words. So see here, the cat is under the table. For example, cat is under the table. Here is a table. Under the table is a table and cat. So what is the relation between this table and cat? So cat is under the table. So it is under the word under shows the relation between two nouns. Okay, now so here the pen is here on the board, marker pen is on the board, on. So marker pen and the board. So here what is the relation here? What on is the word which will relate two things. Like that, the cat is under the table. So this is a word used to show the noun in relation to the some other part of the sentence. So noun or pronoun before we use these prepositions, and after using with the noun or pronoun, always these prepositions are used with nouns. Okay, now here in the sentence, the cat is under the table. Under is preposition prepi, right, in short form. And here also in, there is a cow in the garden. So this is also a preposition. So these two are prepositions. Noun before we use, the garden is the noun, and here in is a preposition, and now cow is a noun. So this cow and the garden, So what is the relation? Here what relation we have here? The cow is in the garden. So that is a example here. The cat is under the table. There is a cow in the garden. So like that, and we see the parts of speech here 4, 5, 6, and we will see and 7 and 8 in the next video.